Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to answer your questions from my Instagram. Thank you for your ideas. I will tell you a different breakfast in Russia. So what do we usually eat? It can be porridge, especially oatmeal. Oatmeal. In Russian it's kasha, or porridge, kasha, or oatmeal, овсянка. Овсянка. Also, we like eggs. It can be omelette, omelette, or just fried eggs, яичница, яичница. Also, we like to eat sandwiches. In Russian, it's бутерброды, бутерброды. One sandwich is бутерброд, бутерброд. Or some people pronounce like бутерброд, бутерброды, бутерброд. So it can be E or F. On the weekends, usually we prefer to eat something sweet or some bakery. So we can cook crepes. It's a very thin pancakes. In Russian, it's blины. It's our traditional dish. We can use some toppings, for example, jam or condensed milk, or it can be savory, it can be with caviar. That's really tasty. So jam, it's варенье, варенье, condensed milk, сгущёнка, or сгущёное молоко. In spoken Russian, we say just сгущёнка, сгущёнка. And if it's savory, we can use caviar. It's Икра, red caviar. Икра, Икра. And let's say again, crepes. Блины, one crepe. Блин, two or more. Блины, блины. Also, we like something like pancakes, but it's smaller and thicker. It's Oladushki, Oladushki, or just Оладьи. Оладьи. We eat it usually with different toppings like jam, condensed milk, honey. Oh, honey, it's мед. Мед. What else? Also in summer, when it's really hot, we like to drink Kvass. Kvass. Unfortunately, I don't know how it's in English because it's traditional Russian drink. So if you ever visit Russia, try Kvass. Kvass. Also, we can eat little pies. The filling is always different. It can be potato, cabbage, or meat, or egg. So we call it пирожки. Пирожки с картошкой, pie with potato. Пирожки с капустой, pie with cabbage. Пирожки с яйцом и луком, pie with egg and onion. Also it can be sweet. Пирожки с яблоком, pie with apples. Пирожки с вишней, pie with cherry. So what do we usually drink? Milk, tea, coffee, juice and cocoa. And water, of course. So tea, it's чай. Чай. Coffee. Кофе. Кофе. Milk. Молоко. Молоко. Water. Вода. Вода. Juice. Сок. Сок. Cocoa. Cacao. Cacao. That's all. If you want to see my breakfast, you can follow me on Instagram and I will show you what do we usually eat in Russia. Thank you for watching. Please let me know, was it interesting or not, in the comment section, and see you next time. Bye. For the quench.
Заново.
That's all.